So this is what the blade looks like before we sharpen it. It has a lot of rock chips that you can see, so I won't be able to get those completely out, but we should be able to get this thing pretty dang sharp. When you're doing your grinding, you want to go slow enough that you're getting a good grind, but don't go so slow that you wind up burning the cutting edge. If you do go too slow, you'll start seeing bluing or burning of that cutting edge. So if you get that, you just need to start moving a little bit faster on your passes. We're going to do about 10 to 20 passes on each end of the blade. It's just going to depend on how long you go in between sharpenings and how clean your grass is. Like I said, we have a lot of rocks around here, so mine tends to get butchered up pretty good. So it takes a few more passes on mine than what you may have if you have pretty clean grass. Once I get it where I think I want it, we'll put it on that little cone balancer you see there on the workbench. And what that'll do is it'll show me if one side's heavier than the other, because it'll, droop towards the bench. And then once I figure out if it's got a heavy side, then we'll grind on that heavy side a little bit more and test it again on the balancer until it's nice and even. So I've got both sides of this blade ground down. So we're going to set it on the balancer and see how it looks. And it looks like I've got one side that's a little bit heavier. So we're going to put it back on and do just a couple more passes at a time until we get it even. All right, so we're going to check it one more time, get it nice and centered on the balancer, take a look at it, and it looks really good. So this is what it looks like when it's done. You can still see those rock chips in it. Obviously, I wasn't able to get those ground completely out, but even with those in there, this blade is still really, really sharp, and it's going to do really well cutting. As always, thanks for watching, guys. If you have any content you would like to see, throw that in the comments, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and we will see you guys on the next one.